What's up, guys? Check out this tool from Altium Develop where we have the bill of materials manager. So I uploaded an Excel spreadsheet of a ton of components in the bill of materials, and then Altium's BOM management tool, which you have to activate. Click the link in the description below if you want this, which you have to activate. Once it's activated, it's going to ask you about these different things in here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BOM import tool, how you don't have to use manual Excel spreadsheets that nobody can really interact with, that have different versions that get mixed up all over the place and being confused and all that stuff, and you're missing assembly parts. How you can go from that mess to having a streamlined, team-focused, team interactive, online, real-time dashboard or display that shows where all the components are, and just a much easier flow. It's just so much better than doing it the manual way using spreadsheets. Okay, so let me show you, and you may have questions like, is this useful? Is it practical? Is it only in the cloud? I'm going to answer all those questions for you. So the first thing, is it only in the cloud? Right now, yes, and I think that's going to be the case. That's how they're making it work. So that answers that question. Number two is terms of security. Security is always solid with Altium in the cloud, so Altium Develop, don't worry about that, depending on your pricing tiers and whatnot. The third thing is, how well does it work? Well, this is what I'm going to show you right now. So you're going to import this. Are there alternates? I don't think this is an much of a problem. I mean, we do see some alternates here. So yes. The fact that it even thought to ask if there are alternates is so smart. So it makes me think that they're using some kind of AI on the back end to be able to detect that, or who knows, right? So analyzing the bill of materials, I can already guess that that's what they're using in the back here. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, this was a big bomb. It's a big bomb, but it got imported. We have a lot of components in here. The order price is insane, and then the price per BOM is $338. That is fantastic. Now, some of these components, I don't see these visible here. We have data sheets. Okay, see how crazy this is. It lets us know the issues, right? It shows a legend of what the issues are. Okay, we can isolate into things that have compliance issues, manufacturer lifecycle problems, manage components, and then alternates, known and unknown. So now we can go in here, look at what's going on. There are also screenshots or images of the components, no suppliers found. So that's something that needs to get corrected. It can be waived. You also have the data sheets, right? You have the data sheets for each of these components that it pulls in. So easy, so simple, lets you know if a part is recommended or not. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Now, what you can do is add comments and tasks, look at the different categories, any issues that you see on the cloud, you can, check mark that. And there's a lot of visibility here. And then you can type in what you're looking for, maybe, controller, right? Then you can put up all of your controllers that way and it'll filter it automatically. I mean, this is just phenomenal. You can download the bill of materials to have a clean BOM, or buy these with Octopart, and you can also expand that. The flexibility is insane. Now, if I were to go here and click on here, I'd say, hey, select a row to leave a comment. And I say, need to find a replacement for this. And then I would add somebody on the team, right? Maybe myself, assign it to me, and boom. Okay, post it. Voila. Now I've got my tasks and everything. I could set the task as to do, right? Open the task, and it goes into the rest of this ecosystem, the portal in Altium Develop. Fantabulous. Crazy, crazy. I could say if it's in progress or if it's resolved, but it's a to-do right now. Okay. In fact, I'll just leave it as to do. And then what you can do is, with these tasks, put them into your own other software, like a CRM or something. Well, not a CRM, but a task management software to go and track the those like Jira or whatnot. Okay, this is an overview and quick walkthrough of Altium Develop's Bill of Materials Manager management tool. It's BOM tool, and it is just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Integrates seamlessly with tasks, and it's the best bill of materials tools I have used. You tell me, do you have a bill of materials that can process this and do all this stuff and supply chain? I don't. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, come on. Okay, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you're trying to succeed at hardware design for small, medium business, then these are the kinds of software you need to be using. Don't stay stuck in the hard work and things that are going to hold you back. What you want to do is save yourself time and to be more efficient. You want to get this stuff, Altium Develop. Click the link in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Peace.